Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Fraction.
What does the dictionary say?
A number usually expressed in the form AB. A ratio of algebraic quantities similarly expressed.
Math Rap.
A fraction is many parts of the whole. How many parts we have is the top number's role. The bottom number that comes into view tells how many parts the whole is divided into.
Math Rap.
Fact: only a fraction of people ever get the whole meaning of fractions. Explain fractions in your own words. If we ordered a pizza that has 8 slices total, and I ate 2 slices, what fraction of the pizza did I eat? Can you think of another scenario where fractions are used? What professions use fractions on a daily basis? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!